The cost varies a lot depending on how far you are from the breaker box, whether there's extra capacity in the breaker box, and so on. I think the average is around $1,000, $1,200, something like that. But you really have to get an electrician in to get an estimate, and any qualified electrician should be able to do it.
Yes, so we actually have a charging guide, a home installation guide on our website. We would really encourage you to check out if you have questions about that. And what I would say is that if you don't have an electrician that you already know, I would recommend that you go to Angie's List to find one. They even have like an option of like what you want installed and what you want that electrician to do. And EV charging stations is one of those things. And the outlet that you need is the same that you need for your washer and dryer. So it's really not a problem for them.